What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Discord have just added a brand new badge, a new way to get Discord Nitro for free, and of course, a new way to get Discord decorations for your profile, avatar, etc, etc. Discord have expanded the quests feature into a whole new feature they rolled out recently, as in pretty much just last night, Discord Orbs. So in this video, I'll show you everything you need to know and so much more about the new Discord quest system, rewards, etc. So as we all know by now, Discord have had quests for a while where you either stream a game for a certain amount of time, play a game for a certain amount of time, watch an ad, etc. And in return, you'll get a temporary Discord decoration for your avatar and similar things like that. They've now expanded the system into something much more robust where you can pick your reward from a brand new Discord shop section. You'll find this blog post linked down below, which covers most of what I'm covering here, but I'll of course give you a live example now. When you fire up Discord for the first time today, you'll see something like this: Discord Orbs, get Nitro credits and shop favorites without spending a penny, earn through quests, spend in the shop, earn orbs. Once you close it, the pop-up's gone pretty much forever, but there's two brand new sections that I'll be showing you here. The first section is where you can actually earn Discord orbs, check your balance, etc. On the Discord server list on the far left, scroll all the way to the bottom and click the Discover section here. This will take you to the Discovery section where we can discover apps, servers, and of course quests over here. The first quest and only quest that earns you Discord orbs at the time of recording is this one over here, which ends on the 29th of July. This will earn you 150 Discord orbs. Click Start Video Quest and you'll watch a 30-second advertisement for this brand new feature. You'll see your progress bar in the top right over here. Unfortunately, you can't skip forward, you can only reverse. So you do need to sit through this and an ad block won't save you. Obviously, this gets Discord some money when they're advertising games and things like that, but for now they're just advertising this brand new feature. In the future, this may expand to playing a game for a certain amount of time, doing something, streaming a game, etc. on Discord in order to claim your reward. Once you confirm you're human, just like that, you'll see that your balance is now 150 orbs. We can then explore the shop, but for now, I'll close this. These quests in the future, I assume, will mostly revolve around Discord orbs. For now though, nothing new's been added since this feature last night. To actually spend your Discord orbs, either click Explore the Shop over here, or head to the Discord icon in the top left, your direct messages, then Shop over here, and of course you'll see the usual items you can buy like the collections over here, but scrolling down takes us to the Discord Orbs exclusive section. Here we can shop all Discord Orbs exclusives, or of course we can click this tab at the very top. Now we're inside of the Discord Orb store. Your balance is in the top right over here. Clicking it allows you to explore the quest home where we can earn more Discord Orbs in the future. Currently we have 150, and the brand new Discord Orbs Apprentice badge, which gets added permanently to your profile, only costs 120 orbs. I'll definitely be picking this up, claim with orbs, and just like that, the badge has been added to your profile right over here. Fantastic. This, I assume, should stay here pretty much forever, and of course, I assume at some stage in the near future, you won't be able to claim this anymore, so now is the time to get it. In the future, when more quests come out, I assume some will reward more than others. You'll be able to purchase different things like Discord Nitro credit for 1400, Discord decorations like this animated background, this avatar decoration here, etc. And if we scroll down, we'll see some bundles and things like that, which we can actually purchase with regular money, but we can now also purchase with Discord Orbs for free. All it costs is your time. Obviously, it's not everything on the Discord store. If you want anything from the Skibbity Toilet Pack or something similar, yeah, 2025, you'll need to fork out some actual money for it. Of course, the only discount you're getting there is if you have Discord Nitro. But yeah, with that, you know pretty much everything you need to know about this. You've seen and hopefully understand the brand new Discord Orb store. You know exactly how to earn these things as well by completing quests. In the future, this will obviously be more robust. I assume certain quests will reward not only in-game items and things like that, but you'll also get Discord Orbs in return, which is a fantastic way of pushing this feature onto more people, getting more people watching ads, engaging with Discord, etc., earning them some more money, and of course getting us some things back in return for free. I'd much prefer Discord pursues this kind of monetization, as it's much less invasive. You just get a pop-up once in a while saying stream this game, play this game, and you'll actually earn some rewards back for it, which is arguably so much better than just seeing a advertisement appear here or a pop-up or something like that, which is infinitely more invasive in your face, and of course it doesn't get you anything back in return. But yeah, it'd be nice to earn Discord orbs and things like that by having a Discord Nitro subscription, but at least for now, the only way that you can earn points is by completing these quests here, for which there's only one at this point in time. Let me know what you'd like to see from this feature down below, what you hope they're adding or changing, and of course you'll find the blog post that I mentioned down below, as well as anything else related to this. Check the pinned comment if anything changes. But yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.